How to close your store on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to close your store on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. So we want to close our store. Now, there are two ways we can do that. The first way is going to be if you're looking to actually give your store to someone else and if you want to change the ownership, we have that option available on Shopify. So you just go to settings, and if I just simply go to my store details and basic info and click on edit, you can see right here this is our store name that I can simply change. And if I simply go to the user and permissions, actually this one right here, and here I will be able to see my store owner. So this is like my store. But what I can do is I can click on transfer ownership and I can enter a new email and enter a first name, last name, and password and give my store to someone else. That is one way you can do this. But if you want to completely close your store, then you will actually have to simply cancel your memberships. So you just go to simply plan right here. And here you can just click on deactivate account. It will show you also close store option if you have like a business plan, but with my plan it shows me like deactivate the plan. So you just click on it and you will confirm with your password and your account will be deleted. You can also get more information by just searching right here, and you can search for delete and it will show you how to delete your account and how you can actually pause or close your store on Shopify if you have like a higher pricing plan. So it's really easy to do. You can do it within your settings and you can just go to your plan and it will show you the close store option. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.